Hi everyone, I am Adi. Welcome to my channel WebTech City. We learn, build and grow together. If this video helps you, please like, comment, share, subscribe and turn on notification for more video tutorials. Thank you. So now let's get started.
Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In this video I will show you how to upload your website in the online so every people can access from online and worldwide. So let's get started. At first open your browser and we have to log in our domain and hosting provider. Can you remember in the previous video I showed you everything, how to connect to domain and hosting, how to buy domain and hosting, and so now we'll see how to upload. Okay, let's get started. Just enter your provider website name and login. So it's my provider, so whatever you can buy from anywhere, just go to login, click on account, you will see maybe login like that. So I logged in. After that I will go to my service area. So can you remember in the previous video I showed you fworld.site, I showed you how to set up hosting and domain together. So everything is ready. Now we'll upload our website. Click on manage and login to cPanel and go to file manager. At first you have to upload your website all asset inside the public HTML. Don't upload anywhere, just remember public HTML. So this is the default folder. We don't need to be worried. Just if we visit our website right now, there is nothing. So can you remember we created a website using AI in a minute? Just we have to upload here, download and upload and open. Download is done, upload is done, and now reload it. And but one thing remember, always you should rename index file index.html. If you build your website with HTML, you should keep it index.html, its root folder. When you will enter your domain name in the browser, it will find the main root folder index.html. If you make it if you build your website with PHP language, you should keep it PHP index.php. So we build a website with HTML, so we will keep it HTML. Rename it and enter. Open your browser and refresh or reload. Let's see. Boom. About service, pricing, FAQ, get started, access digital. So our website is ready. Now worldwide people can access from online our website. Just he has to enter this our domain name. Okay, so I think you are very clear. I will show you another things. Okay, let's remove this website. If you have multiple folder asset, what will you do? How to upload? Okay, same things. Click on upload and let's go to my download website. This is another website I built previous time for another work, so just I'm showing you. This is inside your website folder. You have all asset, just select all and right click and WinRAR. Don't make it WinRAR because web hosting don't support it. You should compress to zip file. So zip is ready. Now let's go to our hosting and inside the public HTML click on upload and okay, but we need to let's see. If we reload, there is no website because we remove it. So in the upload, click on root upload and here select website. In this is our zip file, we got it from here when we compress it. So select and open. Upload is done. When it's green 100%, the upload is done. So close it and reload it. Right now this is zip file. Just click on it and extract here inside the public HTML, extract here and close, and just remove this compress. You don't need it because our all assets are extracted here. Now reload it. Let's see. Wow, boom, now our website is live. Every people can access using your domain name in the search bar worldwide. So whom, about us, everything is ready. I hope you are now very clear how to upload website. So if you don't see my all video tutorials, please go back. So I hope you will be very clear, step by step you will understand. So finally we finished our basic website tutorial. Even it will help beginner to professional. Thank you very much. See you next any video when I will make for you. Thank you. Please if you have any issue, write comment below, and comment, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.